wanting it soon and bad. Thoughts come to me and fade away. Custom dreams I've always had. I'll take it apart.
What's going on? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1971 Chevelle. This one here has AC power steering, 350 under the hood. Drum brakes all the way around. Pretty clean paint job. Nice interior. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for additional pictures, all of our inventory, shipping, see the truck sitting over there, finance options, and watch both videos. This one right here is a test drive video, getting ready to take off down the road, point out any kind of flaws running and driving wise. And before I made this video, I made a walk around, pointing out all the flaws on the paint, interior, trunk, underneath, and motor. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. And if you like the music at the beginning of the video, I created that music. Top right hand corner is the music page, so go over there, check it out, and subscribe to it as well. All right guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, go look around the interior. If you listen, the buzzer still works. I'm shutting the door so we don't have to listen to that though. We'll go ahead and start her up. Starts up nice and easy. I mean, it's running right now, real quiet. Go ahead and turn my AC on because it works. Go ahead and get her cool in here. It's blowing cold on my feet and right here. All right, guys, gonna look around the interior, and if you listen, you can hear that old buzzer. It still works. I'm gonna go ahead and shut that door. We'll get her started up here. Car's pretty quiet. It is running right now. I'm going to turn the AC on because it does work. Blowing cold here and down there. Okay, we'll show you the miles. Can't stand behind them, but I can show them to you. 19,000. Definitely stopping at the gas station because I believe the gas gauge is going to work. And we're on E right now. Windshield wipers, flip the switch, let them go. Place your bets. You think that horn works? It's a little game we like to play. The power steering is silky smooth. I mean, I can do that with one finger. Alpine radio with the old school EQ. Please don't change this if you get this car. It works, and it's got the Alpine speakers. That's old school. The dash is in good shape. Panels look good, seats look good. Only thing is, this headliner's kind of weak. It's got little rips, spot here, a little tear here. Could use a new headliner. Let's try that horn. Did y'all place your bets? Let's see. It makes a popping noise through the speakers, but it works. Let's take off. Looking for the seatbelt, guys. There's one in the back there. I'm about to get out. Trying to find the seatbelt. I don't think it has one in the middle up front. It's got it on the side here, but I don't see it. So it's got everything but the attachment in the middle there. So we're just gonna take it easy, go down the road. Anything that I see that is wrong with this car, I will let you know. I'm starting with the seatbelt. It's definitely nice having AC. All right. Turn signals popping up on the dash here. A little peppy. Feels pretty good. Speedometer's coming up. We're going straight as an arrow, guys. As soon as I turn, it turns. Steering's nice and tight. What do you think? You think the kick down took? About to try it. That intake's whistling pretty loud too. It sounds good. The brakes don't feel too bad. The suspension's not bad at all either. Oh, kick down is hooked up. We just had to slow down a little bit. Go back down to about 30 and try it again. Turn signals are popping up on the left and right side there. I almost forgot to pull in the gas station, but we're going to go ahead and do that now because we are low on fuel. Double check the gas gauge too. This thing is a good driver. Very smooth. Go ahead back up to this other one. Keep her in the shade. All right, let's check this gauge out. Up here at the gas station is going to put about $20 worth of premium fuel in this car. Gas goes in right here in the back. Looks like we're up to 15 now, so we're going to check that out and go ahead and check this gas gauge. All right, I haven't started her up yet. The gas gauge is buried on the E. As soon as I click it over, it comes up half a tank. It's time to roll out. Rolling out the gas station. We're gonna go over here to this other parking lot and do some outside shots. You can look below in the description. I got a lot of gear and stuff that I use for these videos. And I put Amazon links up to every one of them so that you could easily purchase and do these videos yourself if you wanted to. Well, the police raided my parking lot. I'm gonna roll on down to the park. Get us away from some of this traffic on this back road anyway. So far so good on this one. Everything's felt nice and smooth. I think everything's working. Might as well try the cigarette lighter, see if it works. Feels hot. It's working. Cigarette lighter works. That intake sounds like a plane taking off. Alright, we made it up here to the park. Hopefully the parking lot's not slammed with people. And it's not. We're good. We're good to go. I'm gonna get some of these outside videos. I'll be driving by the camera. Hopefully y'all enjoy this. Gives you an outside perspective of this car. Good deal, there's only like 3 trucks here. Let's rock it. Got y'all in the driver's seat now. We're gonna take off down the road. I'll try not to shake my head around, make you dizzy, because I got you on my forehead here. Let's go. Still ice cold AC, motor staying cool. I was zooming through the parking lot here. Almost crashed my camera. I've only done that once or twice before. Put her in jet mode. I could have went. I could have went. I'm gonna go after this guy though. I think. All right, what we're gonna do here is turn right on this road. It's got a pretty decent speed bump in it. Try to roll my window all the way up. Get rid of that whistle. You're not gonna feel it. You're not even gonna hear it in this car. This thing's solid. And it feels great going down the road, so. Right here. Nice and smooth. A little bit more traffic, but not too bad. It helps out a lot when you got AC. Another shipping truck here. Got two of them sitting out front. Lots of cars go out of this lot. We get about, well, here recently we've gotten each month it's typically 40 to 50 new cars, and that's what's been going out. So if you've noticed the inventory constantly changing, that's what it's been doing, and we're happy to get all these cars in, and I'm happy to get all these videos out to you. I do hope y'all enjoyed that. All right, guys, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos almost every single day. You can check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. All of our inventory is located on that website as well, and we constantly update it every Monday. This Monday, we're gonna be closed for Labor Day. We'll open up Tuesday, and we'll get everything updated for you. If you like the music at the beginning of this video, go over to my page. It's the top right-hand corner. You can click that. It says Southgate Production, and subscribe to that if you enjoyed it. I'll be posting a lot more on that page here soon, or you can just look up any of my songs on Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes. That's a common question everybody keeps asking, so it is out there and everywhere, just under Nick Southgate. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.